could only have one indicator, and I mean one indicator, it'd be the polynomial. Why do you say? Because it's a complete trading system in one indicator. And most people don't realize what their indicators are good for. We know what they're not good for. Did you know that the MACD divergence, like here, is just a momentum indicator? All it says is that the momentum was going up and now it might go down. It doesn't really have any significance on the channel. It's just the immediate momentum that you should consider it's changing direction. Or indicators like a Bollinger Band that shows you that it's overbought, which potentially means the momentum is going to shift. But out of these 5 arrows, only one gave the indication of a trend reversal. And was it really even a trend reversal or just a swing trade in a trend? And that's why I don't like Bollinger Bands. But for my favorite indicator, polynomial, it works perfectly with my 5 steps of every trade. It shows me the direction of the trend. It shows me the momentum of the trend. It shows me support and resistance of the trend. It allows me to measure price movement and measure days of movement. Say it with me, the trend is your friend until the end. Well, how do we find out what trend is? Simply put, if the chart's making a higher high with higher lows, that's an uptrend. And this is what I love about the polynomial because it cleans out all the clutter. Here's a high and a higher high and your higher lows, giving you clear confirmation you are an uptrend. It removes all of this other noise for you, just showing you the best places to enter the trade and the best places to take your profits. Next on the list is momentum. You can clearly see the momentum of the impulse wave up and then the momentum of the consolidation down. What comes after consolidation? That's right, impulse wave again, which takes us to the next step of the 5 parts of every trade, support and resistance. And the polynomial definitely does that. I've colored my bottom line green and my top line red to make it easy. Buy low, sell high. One of the things that most traders don't include in their trade system is price movement. Because the polynomial gives you support and resistance, and you can clearly see the impulse wave, you can create a range box, duplicate it starting at the bottom of the support of the polynomial, and it confirms where to get out of the trade, which is the same way to measure days of movement. Now that you have this mapped out on your charts, just take from the lows up to the top of the box, and you know it's going to take at least 90 days for your options, so maybe extend them out a little bit more. And the dollar bound of the movement would be about $23, almost 70% increase. See how quick and easy it is to find out what the trend is with the polynomial and the momentum, and then also identifying your support and resistance, so that way it helps you be able to identify your price movement, so then you'll be able to figure out the days so you know where to get the expiration for the right option. Having your complete trading system in one indicator, the polynomial is an absolute winner.